बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करेंगे 5.1 टू डिटरमिन द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द गिवन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड नेफ्थलीन। मेल्टिंग पॉइंट आपको पता है, द टेम्परेचर एट विच अ सॉलिड स्टार्ट्स चेंजिंग टू लिक्विड इज़ नोन एज इट्स मेल्टिंग पॉइंट। तो आज हम जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो है नेफ्थलीन। हम देखेंगे कि नेफ्थलीन जो है वो किस पॉइंट पे मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट होता है। इसके लिए हमें जो ऑपरेटर्स रिक्वायर है वो आपको स्क्रीन पे नज़र आ रहा है जी। तो स्टूडेंट्स, जो ऑपरेटर्स हमें रिक्वायर है वो आपके सामने हैं। ये देखिए नेफ्थलीन, जिसका पाउडर फॉर्म में हमने इसको चाइना डिश में ले लिया है। थ्रेड है, रबड़ बैंड है, मैच बॉक्स है, 250 ml का बीकर है जिसको हमने 100 ml वाटर से फिल करना है। एक थर्मामीटर है, थर्मामीटर के ऊपर हमने थ्रेड लगा लेना है। एक स्टिरर है, बंसन बर्नर है, वायर गॉज, ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड और एक स्टैंड थर्मामीटर को हैंग करने के लिए। तो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू नो दैट देयर आर 3 states of matter which may be interconverted either by heating or cooling. So we are going to start our procedure. First of all, we will take our capillary tube and we will close one end of the capillary tube by heating it on the flame of Bunsen burner. इस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स we have closed one end of the capillary tube so that we may fill the organic compound in it easily. We have crushed the naphthalene in this china dish. Now we will fill 1 centimeter length of capillary tube with the organic compound by tapping it into the naphthalene powder. Look students, it is filled like that. Now we will do it like this. You can see that capillary tube is filled with naphthalene powder. Now we will attach the capillary tube with thermometer. We have to keep in the view that the base of the capillary tube and the bulb of the thermometer must be at the same level, like that, like this. Base of the capillary tube and the bulb of the thermometer both are at the same level. Now we will hang the thermometer with the clump of iron stand using thread. As you can see, there is a thread at the top of the thermometer. Now we will hang this thermometer with the clamp of iron stand. Both thermometer and capillary tubes are attached with the help of a rubber band. Now we have dipped the thermometer along with the capillary tube into the beaker containing water. As you can see clearly, the upper end of the capillary tube must remain 1 to 2 centimeter above the water level. Heat with continuous stirring. You can see हम ये stirrer use कर रहे हैं to keep the temperature of the water uniform. Now we will note the reading as naphthalene will start melting. Reading in the thermometer is rising, but the naphthalene is still in solid form. We have to note the thermometer reading at which naphthalene starts melting. The temperature is continuously rising, but we have to wait for the naphthalene. We have to note down the temperature at which the solid starts melting. Students, it can easily be observed that solid starts melting. Note down the temperature at which the solid starts melting, and it is 74 degrees C. Now we will repeat the experiment and note the melting point again. Then we will calculate the average temperature and compare it with the standard melting point of the organic compound. Actually, the standard melting point of the naphthalene is almost 80 degrees C. Now we will take another reading again by repeating the experiment. Students, we will note down the temperature at which naphthalene starts melting. It is 80 degrees C and T2 is also 80 degrees C. Now we will find an average by comparing it with the standard temperature which is 80 degrees C. Now we will conclude our result. The melting point of the naphthalene is 80 degrees C. Jazakallahu khaira. Allah Hafiz.